Hi all, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain the important interview questions in Java. Questions are, can we compile the empty Java file or not? Can we compile the empty Java file or not? A Java file which doesn't contain anything, even single instruction also. Is it possible to compile that file or not? And the second one is main method is required for the compiler or for the JVM? These two are very important interview questions. Now I am going to explain these two questions. Now my file is empty. Save this one with any name. Why? Because there is no public class, so we can save that file with any name. So I am saving with which one? Test.java. Test.java. Next, coming to that particular current working directory, F drive Java CMD. Now my test.java is empty file. Is it possible to compile that Java file or not? Is it possible to compile that file or not? Possible or not? Yes, it is possible to compile that Java file. Even though which doesn't contain any instructions, it is possible to compile the Java file. But generally what happens if we compile the .java file? .class file will be created. .class file is created. With which name .class file is created? With class name only. But here there is no class. Why? Because empty Java file. So no .class file is created. No .class file is created. Observe this one. It is compiled successfully. Coming to the background, there is no .class file. Okay. So what is your question? Can we compile the empty Java file? What is your answer? Yes. It is possible to compile the empty Java file, but no .class file is created. Next, is it possible to execute this one? Is it possible to execute this empty Java file? It is not possible to execute this empty Java file. Why? Because what is the syntax for execution? Java space class name. Here what is the .class file name? There is no .class file. So it is not possible to execute. It is not possible to execute. What is that error? Class not found exception. Class not found exception. Okay. Next, what is my second question, ma? Second question is main method is required for compiler or JVM? File, new, Java. I am taking empty class sample with no main method. That is my second question, ma. Is main method is required for compiler or JVM? I am taking class sample. Save this one with any name. Why? Because there is no public class. So we can save with any name. Choice is yours. I am saving with the same name. Sample.java. Sample.java. Coming to here background, sample.java file is created. Now, is it possible to compile this sample.java file which doesn't contain any main method? Is it possible? Answer is yes. It is possible to compile the sample.java file even though it is not having main method. Then in general what happens if we compile the .java file? .class file will be created. With which name? With class name. Now here what is my class name? Here my class name is which one? Sample. Class name is sample. So which .class file is created? Sample.class file is created. Observe carefully here. Sample.class file is created. Sample.class file is created. Next, is main method is required for compiler? No, main method is not required for the compiler. As per this, main method is not required for the compiler. Next, is main method is required for JVM? Now we will check. Java space. What is my class name? Sample. Java space sample. Is my JVM execute this sample.class file? No. Answer is no. It is not possible to execute a Java program. Why? Because JVM requires main method in order to execute a Java program. JVM requires a main method in order to execute a Java program. Now observe. Main method not found in class sample. Please define the main method as public static void main string args. Okay. I have already explained in my previous videos. Again I am explaining for execution What is the syntax, ma? For execution, what is the syntax? Java space class name. Java space class name. Now here, what is my class name? Java space sample. Java space sample. Then what happens, ma? Immediately, whenever I am giving this one Java space sample, immediately JVM will take this one. Immediately JVM take this one. What is that one? Class name, that is sample. Next, it invokes the main method of that particular class. It invokes the main method of that particular class, sample.main method. Why? Because main is declared as static. We can access the static method by using the class names also. So sample.main. Who will execute? JVM. JVM will execute our programs. Okay. So main method is required for which one? JVM, not for the compiler.